Cleaning time. Time to clean this beast. As you guys can see, yucky pooey. Get this sucker back to a good shine. Grease it up. Especially down here. All over there. Anywhere in there. So yeah, I get all greasy from all the plants and stuff I go through, and then they have grease, so there you go. Yeah, so gonna clean it and yeah, follow along. Hey, it's just a little quick, simple housekeeping chore. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, so dirty. Wash all this off that way so we don't step on the grease blobs. But yeah, I think I got her pretty good here. Just hand washing. Very old sponge so it doesn't scratch so much. Gotta spray all the stuff off, but as you guys can see, a lot better. So shiny. Gotta fix some stuff here so you guys can see the metal coming through right here. I'll just dry that off, repaint it. I have touch-up paint. Just because I'm one like that, I will do that. But it's interesting, you can almost see the grain structure of the metal underneath. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, didn't get all these twigglies out. But you know, they'll get up there in 2 seconds anyway. But yeah, you guys can see a previous repair right there with the paint. Just little stuff that gets banged up. A lot better. I don't know what this white stuff is. Well, whatever. Yeah, I mean, every little single nook and cranny. But yeah, this down here, as you guys can see, there's touch-up paint in the grease and all that. But I just like cleaning it down here every once in a while to see if there's any cracks happen or any weird stuff or out of whack. You know, just for clarity. So, but yeah, see more touch-up stuff there. So far so good. No major damage. Yeah, just stuff here. This is like mapley sappy sap stuff. Badge of honor with the scratches on the cat. Good. Yeah, underneath here is nice and clean. I'm actually gonna paint the blade. Don't give me crap for that. Inside the cab, still a little dirty. I'm gonna clean that up. Just gonna give it a vacuum down, spritz down, wipe down. Yeah. Thanks to my friend for a leaf blowing me in there when it was all dusty. Yeah, you know who you are. All right. But yeah, of course it doesn't ever close. But everything's clean. And then I did the engine compartment and the valve body and everything. So clean it up, make it really spick and span and nice. I did the undercarriage a little bit just to get the crap off. And here. But yeah, so made sure everything's clean. Tried to get down there as much as possible. Clean out the radiators. got to make sure you don't spray down like this because you can crush these fins real easy. But yeah, so far so good. This isn't perfectly clean, but a lot cleaner than it was. Sucks up a lot of dust. Also, this valve somewhere over here is leaking. I saw some schmoo going down on the solenoids. Forget which one the fast travel is. One is fast travel and the other one is the thumb for the control for the thumb. So 2 solenoids there. Everything else, pilot controls, which is nice on this older machine. They don't have that anymore. But yeah, got everything cleaned up in here as much as I could. Don't need to get it perfect. Just want to let myself know if there's anything that's screwed up. Also, the other thing, I don't know if you guys can see the scraper seal, the wiper seal. It's just cracked. Hate that. I mean, this thing is a 2018 model. Shouldn't do that. And I mean, I don't know if you guys can see the hours. Whatever. I can't see it, but you guys might be able to. 1740. So not bad. Not bad. Almost time to adjust the valves again. That was no fun, let me tell you. So yeah, I got everything done. You guys know that. That's the old logo with just the excavator. I can give you guys the information on the guy who did that. He custom did it. It's not one of those jokers on Instagram or whatever that keep advertising, oh, get your logo made and just do a quick $5 little or 5-minute Adobe Acrobat paint thing on an image. Silly. But yeah, that guy did it by hand, custom. So yeah, everything is golden here. And now I got to grease up the whole machine because obviously the pins are dry and wet. But yeah, so far so good. I like it. I do this every 6 months or when it really needs it. So yeah, we'll go from there. Still got a little bit of grease on the windows. I don't know if you guys can see that. But all right, guess we'll leave it there and just a little quick cleaning video. You guys got any questions? Comment down below. Like, please, thumbs up. Thank you, helps me so much. And subscribe if you want to. No problem. This is just a reference channel, having fun, and showing you guys what I do. All right, so as usual, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Aloha.